We have an opportunity here that we cannot let pass us by. If we are creative, diligent, and resourceful in our response to the budgetary situation we continue to face, then the result can be a stronger court, a system that is even more accessible and more transparent. The reality is that we cannot afford to do otherwise. Open and accessible courts are not a luxury. They are an absolute necessity in a free and civilized society. They are guaranteed by both the Ohio and the United States Constitutions. Without unfettered access, there is a limitation on your ability to advocate effectively for your clients. Your performance as a lawyer is negatively affected if your client's needs cannot be addressed within our courts. We who work in the legal system can't simply bemoan a lack of funding for courts and the consequences and leave it at that. We can't make demands only to keep a sinking ship afloat. We must make an effort to think differently. Improving the delivery of services is paramount, even if we weren't faced with the financial constraints.